W. W is for wagon. Wagon.
A horse-drawn wagon. See the two horses at the front? It makes the wheels go. It has no engine. That's why the horses pull it.
And this wagon doesn't have wheels, it has skis, so it can be used on snowy ground.
A train pulling wagon.
That's right, it's a freight train, and these are freight wagons it's pulling.
Here's an oil train.
That's right, these wagons are specially designed for hauling liquids. This man is using a wagon to transport plants in a garden centre.
This is a toy wagon with some pumpkins. W is for wagon. Wagon.
W is for water. Water.
They have a water filter machine. They're filling up a glass of water.
Oh look, it's raining. Most of our water comes from rain, but where does rain come from?
The clouds. Raining clouds.
Yeah, rain clouds, that's right. Clouds get dark like this when they're full of raindrops, which eventually fall to the ground.
Oh, waterfall.
Yes, waterfalls are formed when rain falls and flows downhill. Eventually all the mountain streams form a large river.
That's a lake.
That's right, and that's the sea out there. Eventually all the water from rivers and lakes flow into the sea. This is not a river, it's called a canal. It's made by people. It used to be used to transport heavy goods, but now it's just used for fun. Those are two canal boats called barges.
This is actually called a rowboat.
It's actually a type of rowing boat called a gondola.
Gondola?
Yes, this is in a place called Venice in Italy, which is built on canals.
W is for water. Water.
W is for wind. Wind.
The wind is blowing the sea. The wind is blowing the water.
That's not water, what is it?
Clouds.
That's right, wind blows the clouds.
Wow, see the sea? The wind is blowing the water.
That's right, the wind makes the waves.
It's so windy.
This is a very strong wind. Look, they can barely hold on. It must be a storm.
Ooh, here's a lot of wind.
It's blowing the snow along the ground.
Sloshing around the snow. A wind blowing a flag on the sunny day.
The wind makes the flag fly. This is an Olympic flag.
Olympic flag because there is circles.
That's right, one circle for each of the 5 continents of the world. There you go.
Oh, it's the dandelion. The wind is blowing the seeds.
That's right, the wind blows the seeds away and they become new dandelions.
That girl is blowing bubbles.
She's using the wind to blow the bubbles.
That boy is flying a kite.
Yes, you need wind to fly a kite.
A windmill.
A windmill, that's right.
And the wind is spinning it.
That's right, and it's an old-style windmill. Do you know what they're used for? Pumping water and also grinding corn and wheat. The windmill turns this millstone, which grinds grain, into flour.
Those windmills are for generating electricity. A sailboat.
A sailboat, and how does a sailboat move?
By the wind.
By the wind.
Oh, here's someone surfing on the sailboat.
Actually, that's a windsurfer.
Oh, he fell in. That's called hang gliding, but the name of that thing is a flying machine.
It is a type of flying machine called a hang glider.
Glider.
That's right, it's a glider. It gets towed up in the air, you see, by an airplane. And how does the glider stay in the air?
By warm air.
That's right, the glider rises up with warm air rises, and descends with cold air.
You need to go somewhere to find some wind. Oh, he's doing a new balloon! What? W is for wind. What, wind?
W. W is for wave. Wave.
Here's lots of waves.
Yes, it's very rough and stormy even.
So I don't think boats could swim there. But it's good for surfing there. I see people surfing.
Oh yes, that's quite a big wave he's got there.
Oh no, the wave is falling on him.
That's okay, he knows what he's doing. There's another type of wave. It's something you do when you say hello to someone or you want to attract attention. Can you show us a wave? And this lady's waving to attract a taxi cab. It's also called hailing a cab. This lady stopped the cars and then waved the children across the road at a school crossing.
Waving now.
That's right, you can also wave things with your hand.
W, what? W is for wave. Wave.